See, the thing is with rowing, you've just got to keep your oars straight. Push with purpose, look where you're going, and really commit. Local folklore has it that there are sirens in this lake, and so we're keeping our eyes peeled for mermaids. We are directly in front of a whole bunch of black ibis nests. Tell you what, that was the perfect excursion. Walking distance from the gaff, got on a boat, saw some beautiful wildlife, made friends with our guests, quick cigarette, and back at the bar for happy hour within the hour.